Alright, today we're going to check out the Keysmart key organizer, key holder. This thing is pretty cool. I've been meaning to check it out for a while, and it's basically a better way to organize your keys. So let's open it up and take a look. Definitely easy to open. Here it is, Keysmart, really thin, really light, actually. Some instructions here. Keysmart assembly, so front plate, screws, loop ring. We're gonna see how this all works here really quick. Let me grab some keys. Alright, so here we are back with some keys to test out Keysmart. First thing I'm going to do is just take all of these keys off the ring. Okay, next step is you can just use a penny or a screwdriver, but we're going to take these off. Okay, so now we have it apart. Here's the washers for one end, screws for each end. Then we have the washers for the other end. So the next step will be the keys, and I'm curious to see, what's the best way to make these fit. Oh, this one is a little bit big. I might be able to shove it on there, but for the sake of not messing this up, let's not do it. So there's one thing. You may have some keys that are a little too big. Let's put the others on here. Real quick, I'll just go 2 and 2. And I suppose these will play around with it once it's screwed together. And again, you can use the separators. I mean, here, they didn't do it, but it is expandable if you want it to be. With or without these separators. But for now, let's just put this back on. Alright, let's adjust a little so they fit here, just like, sounds like your own Swiss Army knife. So, might have gone a little bit too quick here. Okay, let's just unscrew a little, make sure we can fit everything first. Okay, I can feel them sliding into place now. It's almost like when you put something together, you put them almost in, but not all the way in, just to make sure things fit. Oh, and you know what? I just realized we are gonna want this loop back on for the car key. And what I'm thinking is it may be good just to put it in the middle just to create a bit more space here. All right, back to putting this guy in. Okay, that's in. And remember, you can always just use like a screwdriver to keep things simple. You can see here, got these in. And then I'm gonna kind of pinch these together. I don't know if they say to do this, but that's how I'm gonna do it, just to keep the keys. Like if it's too tight, they might split out because there's not enough space in here. So let's get this on. Good. Also, like maybe too tight, they won't slide out or whatnot if it's on there too tight. All right, so we're back here, keys together. As you can see, I do think the spacers could be interesting, just if you really want to match the keys up better. I don't think it's huge deal, kind of personal preference. So this is cool. You can use this, use it as a key. Way lighter, way less clunky than that keychain I was dealing with before. And then here, I can just slip this on for the car key. Don't have any nails right now. All right, Okay, so it's on. There we go. Yeah, definitely way lighter, more compact, and you know, you can pull keys out as needed. I think you could also play with how tight or loose you want. I don't have it super tight, so they slide out easier, but like a keychain isn't tight either. So kind of personal preference. And you know, you can also put, for example, I like to carry a little Swiss Army knife. You can put that on here too. And I'm even thinking, you know, they don't do this, but there's a Keysmart that comes with a tile. If you don't know what tile is, it's a Bluetooth tracking device. I could even put a tile in here too if I wanted, you know, or you can just get the one that has tile in it already. But yeah, definitely way better as far as how light it is and key organization. So pretty cool. Anyways, you saw how it worked. It's not too complicated. I think, you know, taking them on and off, you just unscrew this. You can use a penny and do it real quick. So check out Keysmart. There's more information in the description. And make sure to like, comment, ask questions, subscribe, share. So, you know, we're going to be doing a lot more products. So make sure to subscribe so you get all the updates.